Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. Hope all is well. So as you guys see by the title, we have a new foundation. So Zara has new foundation, girl. I didn't even know Zara had foundation. I thought they only carries like clothes and accessories. And they came out with foundation and concealer, but I only picked up the foundation because I'm not into concealers like that. I'm excited for this video because I really want to see what this foundation is about, and I haven't seen any videos on this yet, and it really came fast. So this is the Limitless Soft Matte Foundation. Foundation is around $20, $19.90. I'm not even sure if this is gonna work. Hopefully it works. So I picked up the shade C944 Limitless Soft Matte Foundation, and you get 1.02 fluid ounce. So this is it here. Really cool bottle. It has like this slanting in the bottom here. Let me just give you guys a little close up. It is really cute, and it's also glass. It comes with a pump right there. Okay, this actually looks like it's gonna work. On the website it looks a little bit lighter, but so it has this slanting on the bottom, so it will just stand like this. Really cool. So this is a lightweight soft matte foundation. Its formula lasts 12 hours and help control shine. Available in 51 shades to adapt to any skin tone and undertone. If you are new here, dry girl, okay, so I don't know, it is a soft matte, so we're gonna see what happens. I don't have anything on my face yet, so my skin is pretty well, it's not really drying, but I don't really have anything. So I'm gonna be using this. This is what I use to moisturize the skin. I'm just gonna take a little bit. Like, my face been looking really glowy these days. I've been trying to get like good skin, and I think I'm doing pretty good, even though I have a little, you know, spots there and there. Let me see how to open this. Oh, you gotta turn it. Okay, you gotta turn it. And I think this is gonna work. I probably did good. And it's not that thick, but it's thick enough. So I'm gonna keep that on my hand. Hopefully it don't oxidize, right? So I'm gonna use this brush here. This is from Cosmetics. Put right here. So these are like 3 pumps. So that is the amount that I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna take a little bit at a time. And let's just do this side first. Now this looks pretty good, right? I think this shade good. So we're gonna start in the bottom here. Whoa. Wow. That's good coverage. Oh, girl. I'm just gonna like bring it down to match my neck a little bit. But this is beautiful. I don't even think I would need all of this. Maybe I shouldn't have pumped out all of that. But this is working pretty good. So I have a little spot here. So let's see if it's gonna cover it up. I love this foundation. And it's not even matte on my skin. I don't feel it drying or anything. And I didn't put any primer on. I've been forgetting to put primer on my skin, but ooh, girl, look at this side. The coverage is crazy. So this is without, okay, and this is with. Ooh, ah, this look good. So let's just continue in the bottom here. The shade is a perfect match. Ooh, I think I did good. I really did good. Okay, so this is what the foundation looks like. It looks so beautiful in person. I think this is a perfect match for me. I love the way it looks, girl. It's like the coverage is really good. Hopefully it don't oxidize, but we'll see what happens. But I think this is really good. So this is a lip gloss that I use. This is from NYX. This is Milky Gloss, and this is Milk the Cocoa. Okay, I'll put it down below for you guys. To bronze the face, I use this Prime Beauty bronzer. I use this powder number 7 all over the face. And the mascara that I use, this is from Sephora. This is the Big by Definition. What I use to set under the eyes, this is from Maybelline. This is a Fit Me Loose Powder. And this is a shade Deep. The blush, my favorite right now, this is from Malibu Glitz. This is from Shop Miss A. This one $1 blush. And I want to tell you guys about this little pads, okay? I got this from Amazon. Like, you get all of this. I'm not even sure how much is this. I'll put it down below. I got it a while back. And this is my first time using it. This is so soft under the eyes. And it gets all the way under there. This is like perfect. It's really good for like if you a makeup artist or something. And then I use this spray here. This is from ELF. The concealer is from ELF Cosmetics. This did oxidize, okay? It oxidized a little bit. I put a little bit on my neck. I need to do that just to make sure it blends with everything. Beautiful finish. It's hydrated. It's not even like matte or anything. So if you have dry skin, you will love this. It did oxidize a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see it right there. This is the color. Okay, it's really dark. Well, it's not that dark, but it's dark. Okay, I love the coverage. Beautiful finish. It is full coverage. It's not heavy on the skin. It's just an overall beautiful foundation. So we're gonna give this a wear test. The time now is 1 p.m. and then we're gonna come back and see what this foundation looks like. I probably will give it like 2 to 3 hours. So we are back to see how this foundation looks. I actually love how this foundation looks. It looks really nice. So the time now is around 3:44. So it's been maybe around almost 3 hours, and I think it looks pretty good. Feels really nice on the skin. It really don't even feel like a soft matte. It feels more dewy, like more radiant. You know how it looks. It really cover a lot of my spots I have on my face, and it's really not even sticky on my skin. I didn't put any powder down there. I actually put it on my neck. There, I don't know if you could see, but it will transfer. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so when I upload videos, you will be notified, girl. To my OGs, thank you guys so much for returning. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.